If you're like me, you have a tummy that's harder to hide in the summertime. And today I have 6 tips for you to help to hide your belly, and it is including swimsuits, skirts, tops, lots of items for you. So I can't wait to get started on this video. Let's start with a difficult one, that's swimsuits, as tip number 1. Now I know that one-piece swimsuits are popular, but if you want to hide your belly and your upper thighs for that matter, I suggest choosing a tankini, like this great one for $37 that goes up to size 2XL. And it's a two-piece that's available in many other patterns besides this one. Notice how the dark skirt bottom hides my tummy and my upper thighs. And the top is adjustable, so you don't need it to be too tight and outline your belly. This attractive swimsuit is a great way for you to get back in the water and have fun again, while hiding those areas you don't want exposed. And by the way, this is in no way a body shaming video. Hey, I've got that nasty belly fat too, so you know. But what I want to show you in this video is how you can style your clothes to hide that belly a little bit. So let's take a look at tip number 2. Silky skirts are trending, and they're certainly an easy breezy choice for summer, but they are a big no-no if you want to hide your tummy. Notice how the shiny material actually emphasizes my tummy. It's not a good look. Why not stick with a youthful, trendy look, but opt for a lovely lacy skirt like this one? And last time I checked, it was only $27. It is available in other colors, and I've actually bought it in red, blue, and black as well because it's so beautiful. And every time I wear a skirt like this, I get compliments. It has an elastic waist, and a fancy lacy top like this one looks lovely. Now, this one is actually out of stock, but I have a similar one linked for you. The strappy sandals, because they are my skin color, give the illusion of longer legs, and they're just $40 and available in 8 colors. This outfit is definitely one of my go-tos. And as I mentioned, I'll have a lot of the good styles that I mention here underneath the video description and also in the comments. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find more of my favorite swimsuits, beachwear, skirts, dresses, and even the accessories like sandals and hats. So you'll be all set for summer. But for now, let's take a look at tip number 3. Let's take another look at that skirt and a mistake that can be made. Elastic waistbands, or any waistband for that matter, on a skirt should never be worn over the top. This just emphasizes the tummy area. As I showed you earlier, get a top that's a little loose fitting but not oversized. That'll make you look top heavy. This fitting on me is the perfect size. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video. We'll have a little inspirational chat for you on having more fun in the sun. But for now, we're on tip number 4. It's the difference between vertical and horizontal lines. It's an optical illusion, but horizontal lines will always make us look bigger. Now, before you throw out these tops, keep them for wearing under a blazer, and you'll have that Parisian chic vibe. I have a great vertical stripe look here for summer with a white cami under a blue striped shirt. This shirt is mostly cotton and available up to size 3XL for just an amazing $24. I'm wearing it over my white NYDJ pants and of course my fabulous Skechers slip-in sneakers, which last time I checked were on sale for just $41, and they come in wide sizes too. Wear them with pants, skirts, and even dresses. They're perfect for summer. And don't forget, if you like videos like these and also makeup and beauty and skincare videos, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know when my next video is out. But right now, we're on tip number 5. I feel like shorts will always make our tummies look bigger, just in the way they form around our bellies. Not only do I think a great skort like this one hides my tummy more, it's also much more feminine looking for summer. And because it has lightweight shorts underneath, you can wear them almost anywhere. And the last time I checked, this great skort was on sale for just $20. I matched it with a cool Under Armour top, on sale last time I checked for, again, just $20. And this is a quick drying, wick away sweat material, so it's perfect for a hot day. Once again, my amazing slip-in Skechers sneakers finish this great outfit that's perfect for many occasions and especially a hot day. And just before I get to my next tip, don't forget to check out my new channel. And there are long-form inspirational messages, and I think you'll like the recent ones because they're on a backyard makeover and also some work we did on our deck. There's like 14 of them there now. Some of them are heart-to-heart talks, like talking about loneliness, and others are renos we've done on our own home, so enjoy. And by the way, if you wait until the end of this video, you'll see a yellow screen pop up, and there's a link there that will take you right to that channel, and you'll get to listen to the inspirational message right away. But next, I have a summer item that I absolutely love to wear. I've got a lot in my wardrobe, and you can find more of them at amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50. They're in the beachwear section, and it's a beachwear cover-up. Perfect for hiding your tummy and also looking chic. Taking a look at this silhouette, Heather is bulging out all over, which is not a good look. But all I have to do is just add a lightweight beach cover-up like this one for just $25 and do a little tie in the front, and voila! I'm instantly looking slimmer and more stylish. If you click on the link for this in the video description, you'll find there are many styles and patterns like this one, and they're so inexpensive. I'm sure you'll want to get more than just one. Okay, so let's talk about summer. Every time I think about summer, I think about fun, and I also think about, there's a song and there's a line in it that says, "We only have so many summers." Just think about that for a second. And that's why I really set out to enjoy every one of them. It's time to bring back play again. And that means put on that swimsuit, start splashing around and having fun in the water again. Put on your sneakers and go to festivals and concerts and farmers markets. Hey, we may not be in our 20s, but we still can have some fun. So let's bring back play again. So if your health is good, don't forget, don't worry about your age. Don't worry about your size. Don't worry about your tummy. Put on that sunscreen and get outside. Now, I know a lot of days are hot, but you can take a break. You can find a tree, sit in the shade, or get into some air conditioning for a few minutes. I truly hope that my tips today, help you to feel good and also be the best version of yourself. Instead of hiding in the summer, just hide your tummy a little bit with a little bit of fashion like I showed you. And let's show the younger women that as we age, we're still chic and we still have fun. And for me, that's just one more way to be loving our age.